Hello there. Hobby King again has done a great value deal. I've purchased this Cessna 182. It's just a mini one. It only cost me $49.14. Hobby King. And well, this is just pretty much a review that I'll start. This is my first video too, so it's not that good. Sorry about that. Now here is the A1. Nice running, sort of really sealed up servo rods, and the servos are good too. Now if I move the servo, very well done. Now there's the plug to plug into your receiver. Now I'll just sit this wing out of the way for the moment, and I'll show you underneath the ESC and receiver compartment. Now it's under there. There's the servos for your rudder and elevator, nicely sealed in there. All that's coming out is the rods, just slightly out underneath and under there. Now this is the ESC, comes with package. Very good ESC too, never had any problems. How about I just pop this wing back on. Now this actually has a bolt here. It's for the wing. So I'll just screw this back on. Oh look, it screws on, but I just won't screw on now because I might have to take it back off to show you something else. Now underneath the battery compartment. Now the battery you need to buy is a Zippy 800. I've got the Zippy 800 2S15C series. It fits perfectly in that compartment. All the wire and that comes out there nicely. So pretty much an overall for $50. It's a really good plane. It also has removable wheels. Just slip out like that. Alright. Put that back on now. And I haven't had any problems whatsoever. Besides under here, I've actually snapped right there. Just fix that up with a bit of hot glue and some skewers. Had to cut a bit of foam out there, that's really all. Just the flexible hot glue is what I used. And yeah, really if you end up having a break through there, it's just glue straight back together and it's back to normal really. And here's spare props. I actually prefer to drill out the centre and use 6B4s, which it comes with a spare prop with the plane anyway. Now when I received it, it came in really well packaged. It didn't have anything wrong with it whatsoever. And yeah, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later.